Hey, hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will just demonstrate the blind stick. Okay, because I published this video in 2 years ago. See, this video I will publish this 2 year ago. Okay, its total is the 17k view. Now when I click this video and go scroll down this comment section, then see the one person will comment it, can you use this Uno insert of this Nano? Yes, of course you use this Uno, because the board will be same, only the size difference. Okay, how can I add this audio output? In upcoming video I will make this project in DF minute player through. And when I scroll down, then its few comment is nice. And when I scroll down, see, sir, how to connect the sensor connections? Sir, I cannot find this code on your GitHub, please provide this direct link. Okay, is the another one is the nice, keep it up, thanks again, this good job. Can you give this code of this project? Of course I give this, I given this all this code, please, the code is not working. Okay, it's so many comments, and I received this mail also. That's I decided I do this project again, and I will show you this step by step functions. Okay, let's go. And first we see this short demo, and then we build this project. Now I will make this proper hardware. In backside I soldering it. I providing this different slot to this different components. You put it one by one and upload this code. Just follow the circuit diagram, and the circuit diagram available in this video description. Now I will just put this all this component demonstrate. I will show you. See, when I pressing this one push button, then GSM sending this text message with proper GPS location, and its message will be, I am in problem, please help me. Now see this component, which component I use in this project. First I use this Arduino Nano microcontroller board, two ultrasonic sensor, rain sensor, one push button, Sim800l GSM module, one SIM card, Neo 6M GPS module, Lithium-ion battery to providing this GSM module for proper power supply, TP4056 lithium-ion battery charger. Now make this circuit diagram. We arrange all this component and do this connection one by one. The circuit diagram and the code will be same. You just follow the circuit diagram and do this connection properly. The circuit diagram link available in this video description. If you want, then please check out. Now make a proper hardware. In a 0 PCB we attach this few female header, and in backside I soldering it. Now I put this Arduino Nano microcontroller board, Neo 6M GPS module, Sim800l GSM module, and I use this bigger antenna to get this better signal. Now I attach this one ultrasonic sensor is front side, second ultrasonic for I use this back side. Then I attach this fan sensor to detecting this water will be present or not. Then I attach this one push button, is SOS button, and now I put this SIM card. See, you put the SIM card is proper way, and now I attach this lithium-ion battery. The hardware will be completed. Now upload this code. So we first see this code. Okay, now see this code. First we turn on this code, I mean open this code in Arduino IDE software, and see, first is required to this install this tiny gps++.h library. You just go to this library section and type tiny gps++.h library, and you install this library. Here I just connected this GPS module is pin number 10 and 11, and GSM module will be connected to pin number 2 and 3. First ultrasonic sensor, this front ultrasonic sensor will be connected to this trigger pin will be A1, echo pin will be connected to pin number A0 is analog pin. Okay, in backside sensor, the second ultrasonic sensor, trigger pin will be connected to pin number A3, echo pin will be connected to pin number A2. Okay, and when I interfacing this one push button, and they will be connected to pin number D6. When you pressing this push button, then GSM sending this text message with proper GPS location. It's sending this I am in problem and proper GPS location. Okay, in void setup you defining all these input and output devices, and the buzzer will be connected to pin number 5, and they will be output device. That's why I just define this output. Okay, and the RAN sensor will be connected to pin number A4. Okay, now we install all this GPS and GSM module. In void loop we find out this ultrasonic sensor in distance, and this distance in centimeter. Okay, and we set this threshold value. Suppose is the first sensor measuring this distance and is any object near of this 20 centimeter, then the buzzer will be beeping, but the buzzer will be beeping in this different sound. This front sensor, back sensor, and the RAN sensor is providing this different buzzer sound. That's why the blind person will listening this proper and is do this. Okay, the first ultrasonic sensor will be detect in this 20 centimeter and the different buzzer sounds pattern, and the backside buzzer this ultrasonic sensor is detect in this 15 centimeter. Suppose if any object will be detect in this 15 centimeter, then buzzer will be beeping. Okay, and the RAN sensor, when this RAN will be detect, then buzzer will be providing this different buzzer this beeping sound. And suppose if you pressing this push button, okay, then display this serial monitor in this push button is placed and is sending this proper GPS location. See, this message will be going to this your mobile number, I am in problem, and is sending this proper GPS location. Okay, and suppose if you type to this get message and send to this GSM module, then you receive this type of this message. It's sending this proper GPS location. Sending this text message is your location and latitude and longitude. Okay, this one is the complete code of this project. And then you go to this tools, select this proper board. I use this Arduino Nano microcontroller board, and again go to this tool, select this proper processor. Is this 88 mega 328 old bootloader, I select it. And now you go to this tools again, select this proper port and hit this compiling button. Now the code will be compiled properly. Now see this working of this project. See, I put my hand to this near of this ultrasonic sensor. The buzzer sound will be different pattern. Both ultrasonic will be providing these different buzzer sounds. When I put this RAN sensor in water, the buzzer will be also is providing this different sound. Because the blind person listening this proper way, and now I pressing this SOS button, hold this few seconds and release it. Then after the few seconds, the GSM sending this text message, I am in problem, please help me, and providing this proper GPS location. Now I press again. See, the SMS will become. This project is working perfectly. I hope you like this project, and if you like it, please hit the like button, share with you all the friends. If you're new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit this bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.